Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok notifications not working on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and in your iPhone settings, go to settings, search for TikTok and make sure you have allowed notifications. Then in TikTok app settings, also go and enable the notifications. After that, restart your phone by long pressing the power button and the volume button. Then slide to power off. This will switch your phone off. Then restart your phone after a few seconds or minutes of waiting. Then go ahead and update your app. Go to the app store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Safety tip: limit notifications to important ones if you don't want spam or distractions. Quick fix: log out and back in, then re-enable notification settings in the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes.